Hello, welcome. In this video, we're going to learn how to combine 22 SRTM elevation tiles into a single seamless DEM using ERDAS IMAGINE Mosaic tool. Now, the first thing you need to do is to have, most of the times SRTM are more highly resolutioned among most of the elevation data we have online, but the coverage is relatively very low compared to others. So they are one of the best when it comes to hydrology. Hydrology. So you may have encounter with where you needed a very large portion and you are not having the coverage of that, so you have to download multiple. So in this tutorial, I have 8 states that I'm in Nigeria that I'm trying to cover for a work. So in that case, I have to download those ones. So all the scenes it covers were 22 scenes, and then I have to mosaic them together. So it's best I do it on ERDAS Imagine. So I'm trying to show you how I get that done. So when you have your ERDAS open, you go to raster and then you see a mosaic tool. So you click on the MosaicPro. Now once you've done that, you click on this display add image dialog box. So you click on it, and then you use this one to navigate to where these data are. So in this case, it's here. Now you can see all the images I have. So I'm just going to go like this and press shift on the keyboard and click the end. So this and this are repetition. So I'm just going to remove the two. So I have a together of 22 images which I have combined together. So I'm just going to click on OK. Now they will all be added here. You can see, oh, it's 21, not 22. So if I want it to display, I'm just going to select this visible site here for all of them. So I'm just going to have that selected for all of them. So now this is all selected. So if I click on this is meant to have it display the raster. Now if you're doing this for the first time, it will ask you to build a pyramid or something for it to be able to display, but I have done that already. So this is covering all the coastal region of the country, this ranging from Lagos, Ogun State to Lagos down to Akwa Ibom, so a cross river by this edge. So these are all the coastal region that it covers around. So now the next thing we want to do is I have mistakenly at one point set mine to automatically generate for this. So you're supposed to click on this. It won't do it if I do that. So I have already mistakenly set that one point while I was working. So I have set it to, if you click on here, you see all the options. Use the first option. I don't know, I've tried to reset it, but I'm unable to do that. So now I've automatically checked the dialog box, and if you have any solution to how I can reset this so that I'll be able to make selection myself, you help me with that. So now once you've checked which of the parameters you need to set here, the next thing to do is to just come to process and then you run mosaic. So when you click on run mosaic, you will select the folders to which you want it saved. In this case, just say DEM1 because I have one already, DEM already, so I'm just sorted to have different name. So once you select the name, it will begin to process. Now, if you are to do this on ArcGIS, it's also it will take you some time, and the filling of the boxes are more. So I prefer using ERDAS Imagine for when I have multiple bands that are severally, or there are many in nature. ERDAS will help you to get that done quickly and in simple steps. So this is how you can get it done. So first, you need to just have all the images in one folder. Secondly, you need to click on the raster, and then you go to the Mosaic, then use the MosaicPro. It will bring you here. You go to the dialog box, and then you select all that you need to bring in. So once that is done, like, you'll be able to mosaic all of these things together. So let's wait for our, okay, we can see that it's finally done. So I'm just going to dismiss this and close this. So I can also close it, but let's go and check what we have. So we'll just go to File, and then I'll see for DEM1. So once it comes out, you will see that our DEM is mosaic without any trace. You can see that for yourself. We have it done neatly. So when you're done, you will take this to either ArcGIS or you use it here, any one that your choice. You can clip it right from here, that is subset right from here. Now that's it. You've successfully mosaiced 21 SRTM DEM data using ERDAS Imagine. So thank you for watching. If this is helpful to you in any way, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye-bye.